Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips, and to this video I will show you on how to achieve text spacing like this in CorelDraw without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm giving you two ways by which you can achieve text spacing in CorelDraw. So I'm going to go ahead and select all this, and I'll press the delete key on my keyboard, and we start afresh. So for that, go ahead and navigate to your toolbar right there, select your type tool. So having selected type 2, come to the workspace right here and make a type. So you can type in whatever text you are looking at. So I'm going to go ahead now and type in text spacing. Okay. Now, so the next thing I'm going to do right here is to make the spacing to the next paragraph. And for that, I'll press enter key on my keyboard. Have it this way. And I'm going to press Ctrl A to select everything. I'm going to come to the text property from the top right there, and I will change the alignment of the text, and I'm going to go ahead and make it in the center, just like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and increase the text size right there. We have it this way perfectly. Now, how do we achieve the text spacing as far as this particular tutorial is concerned? There are two ways I'm going to give you to achieve text spacing in CorelDraw. One of the first way is to go back to your toolbar right here and then go ahead and select shape 2. Then having select shape 2, then you have it right there. You can drag outward or inward. This is depending on exactly how you want to space in the text. Let's say you want to drag inward, then you can come to the side right here. You can drag inward until you are satisfied with whatever you are looking for. However, you can also drag from this side right here. This allow you to give bottom spacing right there. So the more you drag, the more spacing is going to be right there. You can drag it to the top again, and you can also expand this way